Three, two. All right. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Dawud Knuckles.
Jamal, aka Maurice.
Maurice. All right. Let's go. Yeah. Another episode of Let's Produce a Movie podcast.
Yes, sir.
All right, brother. All right.
Welcome back.
Yeah. So, welcome back to another episode. Right now, what movie we gonna go over? A movie we was talking about for a little bit.
The Broadway thriller.
The Broadway thriller, Hamilton.
Yeah.
Let's get it in. Let's break this movie down. So, all right. So today we highlighted Hamilton, the Disney Plus version. You know what I'm saying? There's a theatrical Broadway version and a few different versions. We're gonna talk about the Disney Plus. We're gonna talk about the money and stuff later on too.
Yeah, I want to talk about that deal.
Yeah. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. So I'm just trying to get these levels right real quick. That's what you hear me doing right now.
Mic check.
Check. Yeah. All right. So all right. Look. So let's just get into it. Here we go. All right. So Disney Plus version. All right. So the main stars in Hamilton is Lin-Manuel, who plays Hamilton.
Mm-hmm.
My Dominican brother. Is he Dominican?
He's Dominican.
My Dominican brother. Philippa So, Eliza, who plays Eliza Hamilton, the wife. Chris Jackson, who plays the American enslaver, George Washington. Now I know they don't.
Mr. $1 bill himself.
Mr. $1 bill. Yeah. Now Knuckles about to break this movie down. It's gonna be a little different than Cisco and Ebert. This is gonna be a little different than Cisco and Ebert.
Oh man.
Y'all never should have let me in the game, B.
What did I sign up for?
All 3.5 hours. All right, look. So Hamilton, short synopsis. First Secretary of Treasury, Alexander Hamilton, captured live on Broadway. IMBD had a little more enthusiastic, positive headline, but we're going to go with that.
Okay.
Their version was a little more cultural bias, I would say. Culturally biased.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying? So we're going to just keep the simple facts. But, all right, so before we get into that, let's go over, I'm going to go over some film updates. You know what I'm saying? Every week we want to give you an update on what we're going through with our film stuff. And so something that I guess we're going through with our film that we're working on, like we told you before in a few episodes ago, we was working on final draft, right? And learning how to actually write a script. First time writing a script, right? So our trial ended with final draft.
The free trial, that is.
The free trial ended. So
listen, we start from the bottom, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put that out there.
Bottom. So the free trial ended. So it's only like what is it, $100, $150, something like that. So this is what I want to do. They have a discount for students. Now I haven't been to school in about like 20 years.
So what we did, we stole some student ID.
I stole my daughter's ID. I stole my daughter's ID. And same thing with my telephone. It's in her name. No, I'm lying.
Yep. Messing up her credit at an early age.
Credit. You know what I'm saying? I got free 2 months of telephone. She'll understand later. So yeah, so we might go pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Do you think worth buying? Like, what do you think? Okay, yeah. So like next week, let's work on that. Let's go knock that out.
Don't get me wrong. I'm still all about the traditional pen and paper.
Oh no, absolutely.
But I think if we're gonna go the professional route, let's go the professional route. Like let's go all the way. You know what I'm saying? So.
Okay, I agree. So yeah, so we're gonna send that check. So if anybody wants to try our final draft, we're gonna put a link in the description, so you can try the same version we got, and hopefully it will help us pay for our version.
Because it's like $199 actually, right?
$199, without the discount. If you got kids in high school, if you got kids in high school, or find a random kid, just use their ID. So that's what we're gonna do.
Get a scammer, bro. That's what
Get a scammer.
We need a scammer.